Face the Nation.
You're still watching Face the Nation, and let's continue our discussion with the presence of our group, Gen for One, Empowering Lives one at a time. And as they said, together, we create a future where no one is left behind, a generation for one, a generation for all, because as you have said, everyone, Gen for Juan is for everyone because we are stronger together. Yan. So sinasabi nga nila, no man is an island, pero kung may magagawa ka at nagtulong-tulong kayo, siguradong makakamit ninyo ang tagumpay ng inyong advokasya at misyon. Kanina kasama natin ang chairman at syempre ang executive director ng Gen for One na si Mr. Peter Pardo, at nakasama din natin ang vice chair na si Adrian Reyes. Ngayon naman po, para mas maintindihan natin lalo na sa mga naging interesado kung paano nga ba magiging kaisa or magiging miyembro ng Gen for One, kasama po natin ang kanilang administrative director, Ms. Jane Liban. And of course, we also have the program director, Ms. Myla De Leon. Welcome to Face the Nation. So kanina, we were able to establish already kung ano nga ba ang gustong gawin ni Gen for One. At nakakatuwa na makita na alam nyo, kung makikita nyo lang yung grupo nandito sa studio ngayon, at talagang full force sila because they wanna show support for their advocacy, which is really actually what Gen for One is all about. So ngayon, paano ka ba magiging kamiyembro ng Gen for One?
First, Ms. Lorleen, thank you really for this opportunity. So, napakadali lang po, di ba? We have 4 ways to get involved in Gen for One.
Wow, talagang 4 ways.
Yes.
Parang yan din yung 4 pillars kanina.
Yes.
Okay, so ma'am, what do we have to do?
Yes, first is you can join. Simply join. Diba? Join the activities, the programs, and the mission of Gen for One. Next is you act. Act as collaborators or volunteers. Ms. Lorleen, yung collaborator kasi, yan yung permanent na nandyan, yung think tank. Sila yung mga laging nandyan sa activities. Whereas yung volunteers naman, you can just volunteer for a certain activity. Yon. And then, third is you can give. Of course, you can donate your funds. Pwedeng hindi funds, pwedeng resources, pwedeng talent mo. Yeah, if you have talent sa kung saan, depende dun sa activity, you can give. And then fourth is you can share. Simply share the word, share the inspire people. Yan. And yun na nga, you can be a voice for change.
Yes, sabi, because everyone matters and every action counts. Kanina pinag-uusapan namin, sabi nga kasama kasi dun sa 4 pillars is the church, the environment, young ones, and elder ones. So, ibig sabihin, wala tong age bracket. As long as you can serve with your talent, with your resources, then you can be part of Gen 1. So, pwede ba kung 16 years old ako or 65 years old ako, iwe-welcome nyo pa din?
Welcome na welcome yan, Ms. Lorleen. Any age. Basta, as I said po, if you have talent, actually, yung time, napaka-importante yan. Kasi hindi naman lahat ay, laging available.
Yes.
Diba? When you share, you give your time, that's good.
Oo. Ma'am Myla, ikaw bilang program director, gusto kasi nating makita na may mga nakinig ngayon sa atin na talagang iniisip nila, parang gusto ko nang maging member. Ikaw, bakit mo napagdesisyonan na gusto mong makasama sa Gen for One? Kasi syempre, we have to let them know na iisa talaga yung magiging mission natin, which is for the church, for the environment, for the young ones, for the elder ones, which we don't want to identify kasi you are all, di ba? You are there kasi parang kayo lahat, kung ano yung ine-embody natin sa 4 pillars, you as a core group, yun tayo lahat di ba? Pero what gave you the decision na I have the time, I have the resources, or wala ba akong resources pero I have the talent that you wanna be as part of the core group?
Tulad nga po nung sinabi ni Peter, nung pinitch sa amin ni Peter, nabuksan yung mata ko na, oo nga, no, pag nagsama-sama tayo, pwede talaga may magawa tayo. So, nabuhay sa akin yung sense of volunteerism. Kahit hindi sa pera, pero at least sa time, sa talent. So, yun ang ginagawa namin. Gusto namin, sa ngayon, ikalat muna, i-spread out kung ano ang Gen for One, para mabuhay. Katulad ko, nabuhay din yung pag-iisip at puso na may matutulong. Hindi lang basta yung politiko yung pwedeng makatulong, pero yung simpleng mamamayan. Again, simple lang kaming mamamayan. Magkakasama lang kami sa isang parish, pero eto lumalaki na. And sobrang laki at gusto pa namin mapalaki kasi maganda yung vision namin.
Ikaw, ma'am, mabilis ka bang na-convince o talagang nung binuo-buo pa lang to, parang ito na din yung nararamdaman ko na gusto ko na din talagang maging kaparte. Alam mo, minsan yung iba kasi, yung sabi natin, kung meron silang konting oras, they could actually volunteer. Pero if you are part of the leadership, if you are part of the officers, you actually give more of yourselves. And you being a businesswoman, you doing your work that is actually one of those work na talagang in demand ngayon, you find the time to actually do this because of your advocacy.
Yes, actually, Miss Lorlyn, ito talaga eh. Magkakasama ka din kasi kami sa community. So sa community, kasama dyan yung mission, 'di ba? Yung doing the mission. So parang ito na yung venue, 'di ba? I can share my talent, I can share kung ano man yung kahit hindi sa pera, pero 'di ba? Pwede ko i-share yung talent ko, pwede ko i-share kung ano yung ideas ko, 'di ba? In helping other people. And tama nga, nakakatuwa kasi totoo, hindi mo kailangan maging politiko para makatulong ka.
At hindi mo rin kailangan ng maraming oras. Ang tama lang ay meron kang ma-manage mo yung oras mo at makapaglaan ka ng oras na para makiisa at makasama para mapagtuloy-tuloy natin itong Gen for One. Yes. Ma'am, doon sa mga gusto po na makasali, paano ba silang makakasali? Meron na po ba tayong Facebook site? Kayo po ba ay nagpupunta sa mga schools? Or paano tayong makaka-reach out sa kanila? Dun sa mga naging interesado na dito. Katulad niyan, itong mga nanonood po sa atin sa Face the Nation, they could be all over the country. The others could be in a remote area, although we are starting, but they feel that there is this part of them who wants to be part of Gen 1. How can they do that?
Yes po. Sa ngayon na maglo-launch pa lang kami, para maabot namin, mas marami pa kayong marating, you can scan our QR code po and it will take you to our Facebook page po.
Okay, so we will be posting the QR code. You can scan it on screen para dyan po ninyo makita yung mga impormasyon at para din po malink kayo sa Facebook or social media sites at maging kabahagi ng Gen for One. Ma'am, itong Gen for One magkakaroon ng launching officially ditong buwan ng Abril. So dun sa mga gusto bang makiisa, ano ang dapat nilang gawin? Kailangan magmiyembro muna sila.
Nandun na po, makikita nyo po sa Facebook lahat po ng infos na kailangan. So ang launch nga po sa April 25 at gusto pa po namin mapalawak. So sana po magkita-kita po tayo doon sa April 25.
Yes, napakaganda niyan. Siyempre, before we continue on with our discussion, gusto ko lang din batiin ang Corporate Secretary ng Gen for One, si Ms. Michelle Talavera Pardo. Hindi natin siya kasama sa pag-upo ngayon, pero she is behind the camera as well as some of the other officers and the members who are also present here at the studio because what they said or what you are saying, everyone matters, every action counts. Gen 4 is for everyone because we are stronger together. Even with this guesting on television, you are stronger together. Yes. So, imbitahan po natin ang atin pong mga manonood na maging kaisa at maging miyembro ng Gen 4 One.
Again po, kung gusto niyo pong maging kaisa ng Gen 4 One, ipopost po namin yung QR code at it will lead you po sa Facebook page namin. Tapos, nandun na rin po yung mga infos tungkol sa grand launch po nung una naming project, Save Thy Souls, which is will happen po on April 25 po.
Yes, and we will be there to update all of them on the launching of Gen 4 One. And as they are saying, if you believe in faith, sustainability, youth empowerment, and elder care. Gen for Juan is your movement. Napakaganda po. Sabi nga nila, hindi na kailangan pumasok pa sa politika kung ikaw ay may adhikain, kung ikaw ay may misyon, kahit nag-iisa ka pa, pero mas maganda kung ikaw ay may grupo na kagaya ng Gen for Juan, mas malaki ang tsansa mo na makatulong sa pagbabago. Ikaw man ay may pera, may talento, or merong oras na pwedeng ibigay sa Gen for Juan at maipagpatuloy ang kanilang misyon na mas mapabuti at i-uplift ang ating 4 pillars of society, which is the church, environment, the young ones, and the elderly ones. Then Gen for Juan is waiting for you to be part of them. Maraming salamat po, and we will be watching out for the other activities of Gen for Juan. Thank you for joining us. This has been Lorlyn Garcia Velarde. See you all again next time.
Face the nation. Face the nation.